Hi kids, welcome to Cuddle Tales, where magical stories come to life. On a broken bridge, a deadly shadow crocodile grabs the youngest deer as the elder and middle deer risk everything to save him from the dark river. This is the Three Deer Brothers and the Shadow Crocodile. Evening falls over the jungle river. Everything is silent. Even the wind seems to hold its breath. Deep under the river, darkness stretches. A long shadow slowly moves through the water. Two glowing eyes pierce the darkness. The shadow crocodile awakens, silent and deadly. Cut to jungle town. Wooden paths glow under lamps. Calm smoke rising from small chimneys.
Wow, check out those huts.
Three dear brothers enter, each walking with a unique style.
Shortcut time. We'll save hours and have some fun on the way. Come on.
A warning sign stands ignored as they walk toward the bridge.
This bridge doesn't feel right. I have a bad feeling about it.
Come on, elder brother. A little adventure won't hurt. Let's see what happens.
Bubbles rise silently from beneath the water, unseen by the laughing brothers.
Be careful. The bridge is unstable. Easy there, big brother. Whoa. I don't like this.
Guys, look. A plank is missing. Watch your step carefully.
The eldest brother's map folder slips from his hands, teetering toward the rushing river below. A dark claw emerges from the water and grabs the map.
Now I know your path, and even the thoughts you keep secret from each other.
The shadow crocodile rises, tall, dripping wet, eyes full of menace.
There are three of you, but only one makes the decisions. Remember that.
The eldest brother realizes their carefully laid plans are now exposed to the enemy.
Catch this stone if you can. Let's see how smart you really are.
Before the stone lands, the crocodile moves first, already predicting the action. The center of the bridge cracks loudly and collapses into the river below. The youngest brother slips dangerously toward the broken section, panic rising inside him. The crocodile's tail wraps around the eldest one, dragging him closer to the dark water. The eldest and middle deer brothers freeze, hearts pounding, unsure what to do.
What are you doing? We have to think of something.
Brother, think separately this time. Move in different ways to confuse him.
I will try to forget all plans. Let's do this together, carefully.
I'll jump backward randomly. Watch closely. He won't predict this one.
He jumps backward, spinning strangely in the air, leaving everyone confused. The shadow crocodile roars loudly in anger, shaking the river as water rises fast.
I made it! But I need to keep moving.
The confused crocodile hesitates, holding the youngest deer, then runs far away. The middle brother climbs back up and joins his eldest on the bridge.
Brothers, move differently. Confuse him. Don't let him read our minds this time. Focus, everyone. If we act together wisely, we can escape this stormy trap.
The shadow crocodile's eyes glowed, water swirling around him like a dark whirlpool.
Follow me, or drown together. My river controls your every move now.
The brothers rush along the muddy riverbank as fog swirls around a mysterious turtle figure.
Strength alone won't win in these waters. Patience and unity guide those who think wisely.
The turtle showed the brothers a clever trick to set a trap.
This is our only chance. Brother, grab those thick vines. We need to weave a net strong enough to hold a monster.
Working together, they wove a sturdy net from vines and hid it between two large submerged rocks.
Hey, slow monster! You can't catch us here. We are right in front of you.
Come and get us if you are fast enough. Or are you scared of the shore?
I will swallow you both whole! No escape now!
Blinded by greed and anger, the crocodile roared and charged blindly toward the splashing brothers. He lunged forward, but suddenly the net tightened around his massive jaws and claws. The more he struggled, the tighter the net became, trapping the beast completely.
What?
I am stuck. These vines, they are tangling me. Let me go.
He can't move! Grab my cute brother quickly before he breaks free!
Brothers wade into the shallow water and cut the net, freeing terrified little brother.
I'm free! Run, brothers! Run to the forest!
They scrambled up the muddy bank, safe at last, while the crocodile roared helplessly behind them.
We owe you our lives, wise tortoise. Your plan worked perfectly.
Remember, unity is stronger than any monster. Go now, live in peace.
The tortoise smiled calmly and slowly disappeared into the thick river fog.
Let's go home. No more rivers for us.
As the brothers walked away, the crocodile bit through a rope with its sharp teeth, easing its escape.
We made it!
Yes, we're home! I'm so glad we're safe.
The moral of the story is no challenge is too great when family stands united. True wisdom lies not just in surviving the storm, but in preparing so you never have to face it again. And so, they realized that with unity and wisdom, even dark paths lead to light. Did you enjoy the story? Then give us a big thumbs up. Also, share the video and subscribe our channel, Cuddle Tales, for more magical stories. See you next time. Goodbye.